My Jersey Giant Rooster Sam and I are taking a walk here at DeWitt's Discovery Center. And it's a nice day for a walk. I wanted to take him to Tulip Time in Holland, down to Centennial Park, but I don't know what city regulations they have for roosters in the park. So we are here at the Discovery Center. What Sam doesn't know is he's probably about to face his worst fears. Stay tuned. Alright, we're approaching the place where I was talking about, where Sam's gonna face his worst fears. I'm gonna see if I can flip the camera around and show you guys a minute what I'm talking about. DeWitt Birds of Prey Center. Yes, I took my rooster to the DeWitt Birds of Prey Center. I don't know if I'm doing him a favor or if I'm just being cruel. I think Sam has some indication on where we're at here at the Birds of Prey Center. He's snuggling a little bit closer to my neck now. So this could be interesting. And I don't know if I'm gonna make him go crazy or I'm gonna make the birds of prey go crazy, but there's gonna be bars between us, so see how this goes. Starting at the owl exhibit, and at least one of them sleeping. So I think we're okay. Just kind of staying put. These are the screech owls, and I haven't heard any screeching yet, so not sure how aware they are that there's a chicken over here. Moving on to a larger owl that's staring right at us. This owl in the corner here does not look impressed that he's staring back at a chicken and can't do anything about it. Hey little guy. We're on to the hawks. So far no commotion. Not yet anyway. Although I don't know about Sam. He's making a little noise here. The red-tailed hawk. Maybe the fact that this chicken is guarded by a person, they don't seem interested. I feel like I'm just teasing them. Alright, we got past the hawks and we're moving on to the larger birds, and I think Sam knows something's up because he is snuggling ever so tight to my neck right now. I think he's just a little bit afraid of what might lie around the corner after seeing those hawks and owls. The eagles. Here we have a golden eagle in the corner. Doesn't seem like he's too interested in the chicken on my shoulder right now. This guy could take me out in a heartbeat. I think they both kind of are aware of each other now. I'm not sure what they're thinking. Should we move on to the next guy? I'm gonna skip past the next couple of hawks here. We know so far no commotion, which is good. I don't want to scare either them birds or mine, but I still took my bird anyway. We're gonna move on to the bald eagles here, but I'm trying to brace Sam. Alright, moving on. Here's the bald eagle. Not sure how this is gonna go. Because this guy definitely could take me out. He's getting a little bit excited, I think, because he sees this rooster here. And I thought Sam would be doing worse, but he's doing okay. Right, Sam? Oh, here we go. He's gonna show off a little bit. Not sure what this guy's thinking. Not sure what this guy's thinking. But I think they both made eye contact and there's a little bit of fear going on. We'll move on. Oh, he's coming this way. The guy next to us is making noise too. Another bald eagle making noise on the other side. Oh, there's an eagle feather on the ground. Here's another bald eagle. Now This guy's not too thrilled either about the chicken on the other side making noise. Not sure what Sam's thinking other than I'm glad there's bars here. I hear some turkey vultures. And I don't know how much of a threat they would be until after they see some roadkill, but I'm sure they would actually be a threat too. Well, Sam, you braved the birds of prey exhibit. What'd you think? Extra treats tonight for putting you through trauma? Yeah? Is that what you're thinking? I think so. Supper time, or snack time. How's that taste, Sam? Does it taste good? Large pond behind us. I have a feeling if my hen Mabel was here, she would probably jump right in. She loves water for some reason. She likes to hang out with the ducks too, so I don't know what's going on there. Sam's just sitting here on my shoulder, all content. Well, since I basically made Sam walk through the Valley of the Shadow of Death in the Birds of Prey exhibit, decided to go through a drive-thru and give him a little treat at Arby's. So I got a vanilla shake here. Sam gets his own little treat. Oh, look at him go. You can probably imagine the reaction of the cashier at the drive-thru. Seeing a chicken on my shoulder. He did such a good job facing his fears, didn't you, Sam? Oh, that's good, isn't it? Made sure we got vanilla. Should we share with some of your friends? Or are you going to eat it all yourself? You kind of earned it, so. It's good. It tastes good.